1 kilo fresh chicken sliced. It is your choice if you wanted to use frozen, but much better if fresh chicken. If you wanted to remove the skin, it is good too. We will use onion and ginger. This is spinach. If no spinach, you can use malunggay leaves too. Put the chicken sliced in a pan. Don't put water. Add the onion and ginger. Set on medium heat only. Add the fish sauce. Guys, are you new in this channel? Please like and subscribe now. Thank you for your support. I hope you like this video. Alright, let's continue cooking this healthy and delicious chicken tinola without using oil. Mix well. Saute until the natural oil comes out. I would like to take this time to thank everyone for support this channel. Mega love shout out to all of you guys and thank you for your full support. Cover it. This menu is simple, easy, yet very delicious and nutritious too. As you can see, guys, water comes out. Just continue to saute until the natural oil comes out. Did you know that chicken provides vitamins and minerals? Chicken contains vitamin B12 and choline, which helps the brain development of the children. Chicken is very rich in protein that helps strengthen the bones. Chicken also aids weight loss. Alright, just continue to simmer until the natural oil comes out. Chicken is also a mood booster. It contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps to increase serotonin levels in your brain. Mix well. Don't be hurried to cook the chicken. Reminder: always wash and cook properly the chicken to avoid foodborne illness. Chicken also controls blood pressure. Chicken also reduces cancer risk. Chicken improves the immune system. It may lower inflammation too. Chicken increases metabolism. Chicken may protect eyesight. It is also rich in phosphorus, selenium, and iron. Reminder: eating too much in any kind of food is dangerous to your health, thus eat moderately and healthy diet. Lunch is best time to eat chicken, since meat takes time to digest. Now the natural oil comes out. Saute until the meat little brown. Add water as desired. Simmer for 15 minutes. Did you know that chicken soup could fight colds? Chicken soup help fight colds. It may restore fluids. Chicken soup loosen up mucus in the chest and provides nutrients like zinc and protein for boosting the immune system. Add salt if needed. Add the spinach or colitis. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. It's cooked. Let's eat, guys!